Okay, everybody, it is me, Gregory Mannarino, and here we go. Big day. It's going to be a big day here. We have a lot to talk about. So Wednesday, October 7th, 2020. Let me set the stage for you. In less than 24 hours, President Trump has indeed folded with regard to stimulus talks. Remember, we weren't going to discuss anything until after the election, and the president said there would be a big stimulus package that would get done after he won the election. Well, I had said in my video yesterday that the president will fold. He always folds. And again, if you believe that this was some kind of a tactic to negotiate, well, I knew he was going to fold. You trying to tell me that the Democratic Party didn't know he was going to fold? You knew he would fold. I don't care what side of the aisle you're on. The man is caveman. I'm sorry to tell you that, but that's the truth. How is the market reacting to President Trump's obvious fold in less than 24 hours? Stock futures are higher across the board. Not only that, you got the 10-year yield back up above 0.78 and the dollar is slightly weaker. I mean, how predictable is this? How many of you read The Art of the Deal? I've read the book 3 times. Now, I will tell you this. Most of the stuff in that book, he never sticks to. And at the very end of the book, he should have left off with, well, if all else fails, you could just declare bankruptcy or surrender or fold. Of course, look, I think we know what we're talking about here. When the president saw stock futures negative and realized how violently the market reacted yesterday, he had to fold. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Any tactician out here realized the man would fold. And honestly, I didn't expect it to be this soon. I gave him 72 hours. If you check my social networks, I said, I believe President Trump will fold in 72 hours. And a lot of people made bets. They're like, Greg, you're wrong. The president would not fold. For those of you that made bets that I would be wrong, donate what you wanted to bet me to a charity you believe in. Okay? You're wrong. So honestly, donate to a charity you believe in if you have any guts. Otherwise, I guarantee you most of the, probably 99% of those of you that bet me, you're not going to donate anything. Anyway, all right, look, so it's pretty simple. President folds, stock futures are higher across the board. 10-year yield, again, 0.78. Dollar weaker. The fly in the ointment is crude. They got to prop it up to get a nice rally here, although it does appear like stocks are going to open higher. Let's see what happens throughout the day. When you have a loose cannon in the White House, you can expect increased volatility here. Okay, that's the truth. You can't flip-flop like this, and this was no negotiation tactic whatsoever. Again, we all knew he would fold. Every one of you out here knew he would fold. If you didn't know that, then you don't know the president at all. You don't understand the way his mind works. It's very simple. He's an open book. He always folds. Period. I know I'm going to get a lot of bad feedback here, but tell me where I'm wrong. How's that China deal going? Fantastic, guys. Tremendous. The man cannot negotiate anything. And I don't even believe he wrote The Art of the Deal. I think it was written for him. How's that? Anyway, all right, so with that said, gold and silver are under pressure. Cryptos are under pressure right now as well. These are buying opportunities. Yesterday, when this market dropped because I knew the president would fold and I knew the Fed would step in and buy the market, I went in here and bought a lot, okay? So we'll see how this plays out today. I'm excited about this market. I really am. It's just going to get propped up. The president cannot handle the pressure with regard to the market. He has to call out the market. Look at the stock market. It means the economy is doing great. Nothing could be further from the truth. He doesn't understand the market. He's admitted this. He's a real estate guy. He doesn't understand how to make deals. This is obvious as well. And it's very sad. All right, look, with that said, I'm out of here. I hope this video has been informative to you, and some of you are going to be angry and butthurt and go run to your safe space. You're going to need it. All right, with that said, I'm out of here. Love you a lot. See you later.